Hey everyone, I made it back into a different Homegoods location. So in the other video, we've seen the Disney mugs and they had the plate. Now in this one, they have the bowls. Look at that, so cute. These are only $4. Same bowls on the Christmas. Oh, this one's a little different. By Sleigh Hill. And in the back, can we move this one?
Yeah.
Let me see, the back's gonna be a little different. We have enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Why did they do that? They should be all like a little different, right? Don't you think?
Yeah, I think so.
$13. How much is that? Utensil holder?
Let's see.
This one's really cute.
This is 15.
15? Okay, so this one is 15. And this one is really cute. The gingerbread people, $13 by Jingle and Joy, and $10 for the containers with the wood. Okay, same snowflake. This is really nice. I said it before. Really, really nice. I love it. Oh, they also have the gingerbread bowl. Cute snowman mug for $4. And on the inside, you have your trees and a little wreath mug. More of these Marys. Let me see. Everything's scattered in this location. So we know oh, that's actually really nice. It kind of reminded me of like an old peppermint. Not old peppermint, but candy stripe-ish. I don't know why I'm getting that vibe. Like the old-fashioned outfits. But you know what? Really, really nice kitchenware. I love it. If you're going for a candy cane theme or, you know, peppermint, they're $5.99. Has gold around the rim. Who makes it? Do not microwave. Do not microwave. And they are porcelain. And here's the one with the little polka dot. And these are 4 with the stripe. But I'm loving that plate. So this one's going to be 13. It's a 2-tiered little spoon rest. Let me go down here. Here's the bowl. Those are 10, and it looks like you get 3. I love this. It's really pretty. Okay, let me walk to this end cap over here. So a lot of these trees. I just made a video going over some of these kitchenware, so I'm going to skip it. And, okay, the frosted berries are over here. So these table runners are by Cynthia. Let me pull one out. They're going to be 17. Has some gold shimmer. This one just kind of, it does have shimmer in it. Let me pull this one out as well. And this one's by Mac Studio for 17. Does have some bling on it. So dark. I don't know why Homegoods is becoming like dark. I feel like they need better lighting. These are 17. You know, they're really, really nice. They brought out the red truck, farm fresh. Really cute. Look at this one for $10. Like a snowman, Christmas tree. Here's a side. And this guy is 15. Let it snow. There we go. And it is red. These are really nice. I love this. And you know what? I found one Rae Dunn mug right here in the back. Says Jingle Bells for only 10. Then plenty of baking bowls. More Rae Dunn. This one's giving cookies. Spreading cheer. Oh, they're like plastic plates. Hold on. They have gingerbread. So cute. These are $5.99. Really nice mold, made in America in the USA. So we have the snowman and Christmas trees, right? Isn't that so pretty and cool how you could do that? We have like this little kid elf. He looks like a kid elf. Let's see. These are $5.99. What do you guys think about that? This is $5. The angel felt, and these are like really, really nice. They are glass. What is this one? Is that for like a baby? Is this like a baby stocking or a little outfit? That's cute. And then we have plenty of these stockings, kind of like a beachy theme, if you're feeling that, for $13. A lot of beach theme decor in this location. Look, the turtle man. It's what is his name? Oh, I'm talking to myself. What is his name? I forgot. See you later, dude. What's the dad's name? Oh my gosh, it's gonna drive me nuts now. Now on this tree, it has seashells on it. How funny. This one's really cute. Little Christmas card. Season greetings. They have the red truck. Oh, look at Santa, like a really vintage Santa and the reindeers. These are 7. Happy holidays. It is pretty. 12 drinks of Christmas, old fashioned, hot toddy. Let's see, apple cider, Christmas punch. Ooh, that sounds kind of good. Oh, here's this one.
I like that one.
For $5. Oh, look at Santa. He's like, look at my butt.
I wish I had a little glitter on it or something.
Then we have Snoopy. Look at this one with the little kid at the fireplace for $5. Oh, that's kind of cool. He's waving by. He's like, see you later. $5. Oh, here's Charlie Brown. I'm not sure if they're blank. Keep trying to check.
They tell you what it says. It's it'll say what the greeting is in there.
No, they're blank. This one's blank. I think most of these might be blank. Let me see the Santa one real quick. Wishing you the magic of Christmas. Okay. Menorahs for $8. They have the blue and they also have your silver. Shower curtain. You know what? I've never seen a Hanukkah shower curtain. They even have one with the gnomes. Here's some oven mitts for you. When does Hanukkah start this year? Look at the little tic-tac-toe, the dreidel, a menorah. And it looks like some baking goods over here. Salted caramel cookie mix. These are $5 and made with love in the USA.
It starts November 28th. And
wow.
And it lasts till December 6th.
Early. Lemon cupcake. And it says like Happy Hanukkah. That's vanilla cupcake. Sand and fog candle. Festival of Lights. And I love that top. It is so nice for $15. And this one's going to be like a pancake mix. Those are $13. $13. I think we might have seen these pillows, but I love this blue one and the dark red. Oh, here's a little taxi with presents on it. It's cute. And the beaded little reindeer guy. $17. We have Merry and Bright. Really nice. Merry Christmas, $17. Joy, love, peace, believe, and Christmas. And you know what? Let's see. What else?
Look at that little blue pumpkin.
Which one? Oh, this one? Yeah, they have like a lot of blue over here. Blast and plenty of pumpkins left over. And over here, you guys, it's like their beachy Christmas. Oh, look at this one. We haven't seen this one. Peace and the Mermaid. Yeah. I haven't really seen a Santa. Well, here's one Santa for $20. And again, more Rachel Zoe. This one with pearls is so nice. Let's see, this might be it. This might be it for this location. They have like a little wiener dog in there. $40. So maybe come closer. I don't know, put something in there. Oh, look at that, it's cool. That is by Mr. Christmas, of course. Let's see. The train is gonna move around. So that's kind of cool. And this tree with like confetti on the inside. I haven't seen these yet. These are $15. Let's Just a lot of gnomes today.
They have a lot of these little nativity sets, but they're all missing an angel.
Oh
How
yeah.
they usually have like one angel and they're missing.
A Mary and like large garland at the bottom. Have some deer. Oh wow, that might be it. Yep. This is, I think, everything for Christmas.
Even Patrick's celebrating.
I know, right? That's so funny to me. More blessed with the flower. Let's find out. These are $15. Then I know we've seen these signs before, so they're not new. Then we have green pumpkins. Love this bling for 15. It's a top. So nice. And check out this really nice decanter. Let me see if I could get to it. So beautiful. I love decanters. I don't know why, you guys. Somebody asked me why in the comment section. There's just something about them. They feel like so classy. I don't know. It looks like some chocolate covered cookies. Cocoa truffles. So look at that large one. Espresso beans. Oh, there's so much to choose from. When it gets closer, they're gonna bring out more. Look at, they brought out the ladybugs with cream filling. These are $4. Let me bring it out. Made in Italy. What is that? Looks like little children. Chocolate. Oh, marzipan. I heard that some people said it was good and some say it's not. These are $8. What is down here? Oh, are these like cocoa bombs? Okay, it looks like they have like little mini marshmallows. Oh yeah.
That one's caramel, and then they have peppermint.
8.
And the other one's just milk chocolate.
Oh, that's cool. So you can find those here. And $8 for like this little cookie jar. I guess that is it for Christmas in this location. So $50. These are velvet. The base is a velvet. Those are nice. They have a really nice blue one right here, like a dark one, and a green. Oh gosh, dog toys, of course. Dinosaur, lobsters. Here's some Snoopy. I know we've seen these already. They do have a Mickey Mouse one. Let me grab it. It's a full queen for $30. And check out this Ugg blanket. This is $60. I've been finding a lot of Ugg lately in Homegoods. Ooh, check this out. The velvet quilt for $40. Ooh, so nice. There's another Ugg. By Fable Collection. I kind of like this, like, what color would you call this? It's pretty.
I don't know. It's like a light greenish color.
50 for king. And then we got like your lighter colors. What is this one? A 3-piece oat duvet set for $30. This one's $20. The flannel.
Oh, this is pretty.
Oh, the Snoopy one. Vince Camito, $25. Some red pillows. Let it snow. And it looks like throws over here. Trying to figure out what we haven't seen. I don't think we've seen the sport one for $20.
Yeah,
The tennis. A lot of these Rae Dunn. All the blue pillows are over here. Gingerbread man. Oh yeah, and Rae Dunn. cheer, merry and bright.
They're all 13. Oh,
Some are 20. Yeah. Well, the 20s you get double.
oh, they're all okay. So the singles are 13.
Yeah. Oh, this is really, really cute, you guys. For $10. I haven't seen this one.
Wouldn't it be cool if it lit up?
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
That'd be awesome.
And you have the pumpkin for 10. And I like this guy right here. I like his face. And we have Boo. How much is this one? By Salem's General Store. That's really cute. It's broken. I can't lift it up. So they're both going to be 10. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here in this location. Just a tad of Christmas, but mainly over here is beachy themed Christmas, which seems to be popular on this side. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Brush, rinse, wash, stuff and things.
I thought this was milk glass.
These are 10.